Let's go chatting back with another trade recap. Today is November 12th. It is a Wednesday. Just got back from a bank holiday, and today's price action wasn't the worst. It wasn't the best. I did catch. It was pretty much a winning day trade, but I don't even need winning days anymore. So it was just like a light size trade. Yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. Yeah, I already have like maybe like six or seven green days already. Um, but I do like to take trades and just risk like two or 300, so that I have confidence to take it because I noticed that I used to risk like, well, not used to, I still do. I risk like five or 600 a trade. So I noticed I would get scared of taking a lot of setups, but taking these some trades really light size just has given me way more confidence to actually take them. And that's been like my biggest problem recently. It's just like almost being too patient. It's not like a problem, but I definitely could be a little bit less patient and size less on those trades where I would normally skip out if I risk my normal amount. So yeah, enough of the blabbering. So pretty much coming into the day on the hourly, on the 4 hour, on everything, we are just bullish. Ignore this huge candle. Act like it's not even there. But we're just in this bullish uptrend this whole time. We tapped this hourly gap, reacted off it. We have some two nice hourly draws above. Um, and versus this 15 minute, we're still respecting this 15 minute. So pretty much what I wanted to see was leave this liquidity here, resweep this low, and then get a nice reaction off of sweeping this low, and then get a long. So I wanted to see us do boom, boom, and then I wanted to catch a long off this leg here. So this is what I wanted to see happen. So yeah, let's see. I got to fast forward a good bit, chat. Sorry. So boom here. I mean immediately here, um, longs were kind of cooked, just like with this displacement down. I mean, if we somehow manage to like bounce and inverse this 1 minute, this is like a huge 1 minute. But if we manage to like bounce with a very good momentum up, I would have taken this 1 minute and just like targeted the hourly highs. Um, but I was expecting us to be more bearish because of this momentum down. Then we sort of just chopped around, then went down even further. There's not really any significant draws on liquidity. Is it draws on liquidity or draw on liquidities? I'm not sure, but the only thing we really had was like this hourly gap right here, and then like this hourly low way down here. So pretty much just the hourly gap. Jeez, I need to fast forward a little. So I wasn't really expecting much at first, but then you'll see in a second. You'll see in a second why I really liked shorts. Okay, yeah, I think it was right here. So right here, we made equal lows on the 15 minute, and if you are not aware, equal lows that are this far apart, doesn't matter what time frame is, equal lows that are this far apart are one of my favorite draws on liquidity. Draw on liquidities are one of my favorite draw on liquidities. They get hit 99.9% of the time, especially if it makes sense in the context. In this context, it makes perfect sense. We dumped down on the 15 minute, closed below all of these gaps. We retraced up, tapped this 15 minute gap, got a bearish reaction. I was going to take this 2 minute short. It is like very small, a very small inverse, but it fits so well with the context that I was just going to take it because I'm working on trading like more discretionary and more off like momentum. Uh, oh, wait, we didn't even tap the 15 minute gap here. Never mind. It was this 2 minute inverse I was going to take because we actually tapped the gap here. This 2 minute inverse I was going to take, but we just dumped all the way through it with no entry. And this RR is kind of diabolical. So skip down that. I guess I could have taken and targeted lower, but I just didn't want to do that. But yeah, if something I should have taken was this tiny 1 minute inverse with good momentum, because realistically, with this displacement down, I'm 100% expecting these equal lows to get hit. Because like if there was a gap here, I would have actually full boarded that short, but there was just a tiny one, so I didn't really want to take that tiny one. I just wanted to, honestly, I just want to see us come down, go up, and then get a 30-second short. So that's why I missed out on all this. So yeah, and then boom. Not gonna lie, I was getting extreme FOMO here. Well, not even here, but like before, because we just ran all the way down with no like actual good entry. Yet I was like so confident that we were gonna hit these lows. So I did get a lot of FOMO, but I didn't act on it. Then boom, right here was perfect. We went up, tapped this 1 minute gap, wicked it. What the hell? Got a 1 minute inverse. This was a micro inverse, and this PA was a little choppy. If it was cleaner, I would have went heavier size on it. But since it's sort of just choppy, the 1 minute gap isn't the biggest. But the context is great. Once again, I went very light size, so I risked $200 to make 300. So that's 1.5R, right? Yeah. So boom, we had equal lows here. We had trendline liquidity. We had equal lows down here. So drawn liquidity was beautiful. Entry was decent too. We had a inverse. Just if it was a bigger inverse and just cleaner PA, like if we did something like this bigger momentum candle up and then turn around, flip down, then this I would have went full size, but I went like half size on this because the PA and because of the micro fair value gap. And then yeah, it ran straight to TP, which is what I was expecting to happen because usually with this low resistance liquidity here, that happens. So yeah, I can request a payout, but I'm sick of requesting pennies. I would definitely request the pennies, but I think like I've already gone 2 payouts and they're both like below $1,000. So I think I want to get at least $1,000 on this payout. Knock on wood. I don't even know if that's a knock on wood situation, but yeah, I want to get at least $1,000 payout before I request, because I have gone 2 payouts before. I could prove that I could trade. I just gotta be patient and yeah. So that's pretty much it. I also do have 2 expresses that I only took this on one express today, but I think I'm gonna start copy trading. And when I risk lightly on trades like that, I'll just copy trade them. But I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna just copy trade both them or just trade on the one until I get a payout, then copy trade them. But yeah, I'll see. But that's pretty much the end of the video. If you made it till the end, comment candlestick. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Feel free to join my free Discord. The link is in the YouTube bio. And yeah, peace out.